Chest press machine. Utilize whatever handle feels most natural to you. The inside handle or even the top handle. Flat dumbbell chest press. It's a chest press in the flat position. If your back feels like it's off the seat, it's not comfortable, you can elevate your feet onto the platform if you like. If not, keep them firm, flat on the floor. Incline dumbbell chest press. With your seat on an incline and your dumbbells, we're falling straight back, coming down to a nice stretch in our chest and exerting back up. Do not lock out at the top of your motion. Nice stretch and exert. Cable tricep press down. The focus here is the back of your arms. Elbows bent to your side, 90-degree beginning to the very bottom and back up. Cable tricep press down. The back of your arms, your triceps are at work. Utilizing the small bar this time. Hands in what I call the pronated position. That means on top. Elbows bent to your side, coming straight down to a lockout. Successful workout. Now let's focus on recovery. Remember, you need a minimum of 6.5 hours of sleep every night. Also, be mindful of your diet. That protein must be high. Whole food versions of your protein. If you have a protein shake, take it directly after your workout. Soon thereafter, have your real whole food meal. Of course, you know with alphaline.com, you'll save using my name, Big Ron. Let's get it going, you guys. Recovery is the focus going forward now. Congratulations on your successful workout.